Hey guys, it's Debbie Potts, and we're on day 3 of the 31-day October challenge to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. So, are you working on getting stronger, getting leaner, improving your metabolism as you age? Stop blaming the aging process for your slower metabolism and let's start adjusting how we fuel and how we train, as well as the important lifestyle habits that we talk about in my holistic method coaching program. It's what we eat and also how we train. Often we think that I need to lose weight, I'm going to do more cardio. It's not the solution. What you used to do if you're over 40 something, as I am now, doesn't work the same. So listen to my previous videos on anabolic resistance and how to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. It's how we fuel getting that protein in throughout the day. Stop doing this OMAD that we were all experimenting with and thought it was so great. Well, it didn't hit those protein goals. So if you want to stimulate muscle protein synthesis, I never can say the word, MPS, we want to go. I like to look at Dr. Gabrielle Lyon. It's her recommendation, super simple, 1 gram of protein per pound of ideal body weight. So simplify that. If you want to weigh 150 pounds is your comfortable weight, then we want to get 150 grams of quality protein, nutrient dense foods, and getting that essential amino acid profile that we need with the right leucine amino acid within that full amino acid profile to stimulate muscle protein synthesis, MPS. So not all proteins equal. I've done a lot of videos and blogs and podcasts on plant versus animal based. It's a little trickier. So if you are trying to improve your body composition, we want to speed up the metabolism as we age and not get this stereotype I'm going to get fatter as I get older because my metabolism slows down. Well, I've done lots of videos on that. We need to embrace how we change, how we age, and change how we do everything. Getting that protein in. So if I'm trying to get 150 grams of protein a day, I need 3 meals and maybe supplement to hit the 150 grams. I just did a podcast on perfect aminos, or I like Keon aminos to get the essential amino acid profile in. All need to take 1 to 2 servings of body health aminos. I do the tablets. So I need 5 tablets is 1 serving. So I need 10 for my size because I'm taller in the morning, and I'm taking 5 to 10 at night. And then I'm trying to get a little extra one, take it middle of the day. Listen to that episode I just did on timing for your perfect aminos. Top of that, I'm getting 2 meals a day for sure. I'm not big, I can't eat enough of 3 meals of heavy protein. I'm just not hungry. So that's why I wanted to do this challenge, because that's my challenge, is hit that protein goal, as well as a lot of people tell me there's no way I can eat that much protein. Well, maybe because when you are more efficient at burning fat for fuel, you're not as hungry and you're full and satiated when you have your animal meat. As myself, I just had that salmon, a great salmon meal. And I had, for breakfast, I had eggs and I had some of my probiotic fermented yogurt that I make from Dr. Bill Davis's book, Super Gut. Getting the protein in from those eggs and then from essential amino acids. And then lunch, I had a big thing of salmon that Neil did, the best ever, so good. I probably won't have another big meal because it's 1:53. I just had salmon. I'm usually full, but I'm trying to get a little extra. So maybe I'll do some Paleo Valley fermented beef sticks, which I have, and you can save 20% on all these favorite products of mine with my code Coach Debbie Potts. So trying to change everything Coach Debbie Potts to simplify. Now, also, as you're working out, if you have injuries, I just got samples of this I wanted to share with you. I had to wear my glasses to read it. Moo Joe. So muscle and joint pain relief cream. I just got these samples, and I don't want you to get injured lifting weights, but sometimes when we exercise, we tweak something. But you know what? I don't hurt myself exercising. I hurt myself sleeping. Does anyone wake up and go, oh my God, my ankle hurts. How did I sprain my ankle sleeping? It's because my foot might have the blanket on it wrong and you're sleeping in a weird position. You're going to get injured. I wake up and my neck's been hurting lately. And, lifting weights, if I'm swimming wrong with this left side, it all accumulates. So how we sleep, how we train, how we move. So I got this to try out chronic tonic and they're extra oomph. So I've been doing these together. And last night I did put it on my calf, felt a little tweaky and behind my knee. And it didn't hurt this morning. So I went to bed with this on, rub it in and make sure you wash your hands so it doesn't get on your sheets or you don't touch your face after you have this, because this muscle joint pain relief has menthol in it. And so usually you don't want to get it in your eyes or any open area body parts. So this is fast acting, a long last cooling massage applicator. So I like this because you can roll it on, delivers icy, cool menthol relief, instantly soothes sore muscles, backaches, sore bruises or sore joints, bruises and arthritis. It has hemp, arnica montana, aloe vera, and herbamate. Crazy. Now this one is a lotion. So you rub it in. And so this one, and I just hit my speaker. So Soothe Pain has hemp seed oil, arnica montana, horse chestnut extract, aloe vera, and shea butter. And it's free from THC, paraben, gluten. So I've been trying these too. So it's pretty cool. And you can learn more about them. Just go to Muscle Joint Pain Relief. We'll see if we can get a discount code. But I just wanted to share this new find. I always like to get new products out and test them out myself. So I do like the roll-on method and then put the cream on. So this is what they look like and try that. All right. So I want to know how you are doing with your protein, ideally meat-based, if you can do meat-based meals. You just have to plan ahead, maybe Sundays, go to Costco, go to Trader Joe's, Sprouts, get some stock in your freezer, in your fridge for your protein for the week ahead. I'm not big at having leftovers and I do not like microwaves. So try to make your food, prep it the day before, make it, heat it up in the oven, cook it, grill it, air fryer, but don't have your leftovers more than 2 days because you get higher histamines in it. And microwave is going to nuke the nutrients out of it, I've heard years ago. So I got rid of our microwave. We just have an oven. And I have an air fryer, but I find it a lot of work. So I like simple. Plus, the estimate meal makes our meals most of the time. So I'm in trouble next week because he won't be around for making my meals. So what are you doing to get your protein each meal? Let me know. Share some ideas in the comments below. Also, strength training. I go to the gym Monday through Friday, wake up early, go to bed early, prioritize your sleep so you can have a good workout the next day. A lot of people at the gym are like, oh, I'm so tired. And then you can't work out hard and have good form and good energy. So make sure you prioritize your sleep if you're working out in the morning. If you tend to work out lunchtime, that's great. After work, be careful it's not too close to your sleep time because it will disrupt in your sleep if you're doing a harder workout or doing intervals. So we also will talk about metabolism testing as I do with Pinoe here in San Diego, Del Mar at Cool Body Fitness. I do the treadmill or rower, or I can do bike test. And we determine what are your 5 training zones based on your fuel source used in those 5 zones, not based on a mathematical equation, like looking at our VO2 max and creating your 5 zones, a percentage of that max. We want to look at the fuel source using those zones and then retest every 3 months. Same if you do an FDP test, you will improve. So don't go by old data that's a year old because you're going to have changes in your metabolism and get faster and faster at, say, 140 heart rate. We talked to Phil Maffetone, 14 years ago, 12 years ago. I've talked to him a few times in this podcast. I don't know, you might be able to find his interviews on my show, but many other shows about the max aerobic function heart rate, 180 minus your age, plus or minus 5 beats. That will be your kind of zone 2 where you're burning the most fat. Not always accurate for people. Again, it's math. So if we can do science and look at what you're using for fuel during actual metabolism tests, that's what I do. So learn more and come see me in San Diego and find out more. So let's work on your fueling program and training program this month to focus on stimulating muscle protein synthesis. So check out bodyhealth.com, order your perfect aminos and use my code Coach Debbie Potts to save on your purchase for their perfect amino supplements, the powder, they have bars, a shake mix. So read more about it on the website. See you soon. Let me know how you're doing.